Hi everyone, I'm Shireen and welcome to my channel Soulful Shireen. On this channel, I teach you fashion illustration and rendering. I'm currently focusing on fashion figure drawings, and you can check out my other Croqui tutorials on my channel on the playlist Fashion Figure Drawings. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a fashion figure with the 3/4 view. So basically, if we divide the front of the fashion figure into 4 equal parts, we can notice that only 3 parts are prominently visible and a fourth part is not fully noticeable. You can observe the same in this image where all the fashion figures are 3/4 in style. Now let's start drawing the fashion croquis. You can decide whatever length you want to keep of the fashion figure. For these figures, I start off with an S shape, the English alphabet S, or you can call it a wavy shape as well. Then I simply draw horizontal lines for the various prominent sections of the body, like the neckline, the shoulder line, bust line, waistline, hip line, knees and ankles. I'm drawing the head now, and as usual I have drawn an oval shape, but imagine it's looking sideways, and I've extended the nape until the shoulder line, and I'm starting to draw the upper torso now. As I draw the upper torso, I make sure it looks different from the front view figure by making the 3 parts on the left side more wider. I'm forming the leg on the line extended. Drawing the knees and calf, ankles and the foot. I form the balance line and flesh out the leg, which will have the most weight of the body. I add some detailing like the collarbone and some face lines. Finally, I draw the arms and the hands. This figure is a 3/4 figure with movement, and I have used the English alphabet S to draw it. I will meet you in another video soon. Until next time, stay artistic and goodbye.